everyone, welcome again to my channel. A while back we did a review on a unit from the Outre Everywhere line, and it's a really nice line in that it has wearable day-to-day kinds of styles at a good price, and there really is very much a market for this. There are the wigs you want to wear that you put a little bit of fuss into them, you really get them glued in and get everything looking in the scalp and everything. But then there comes a point in time when there's just a unit you want to put on, look great, and go. And Outre has this Everywhere line that allows you to do just that. Last time we looked at Everywhere 4. Today we're going to quickly review Everywhere 23. Now, right off the bat, look how effortlessly lovely she is. These beautiful, soft, beachy curls. I mean, this is really a lovely summer unit, and I think this would look absolutely stunning in your summer attire. And since we're getting ready for summer, I think this is going to be a perfect one to share today. So in case you didn't see my earlier review on Everywhere, let's just familiarize you with the series. This is the lace front Everywhere wig and styles that go with everything, and they really do. From day to night, uptown, downtown, or just across town, you can stay polished with its ear-to-ear HD lace for a natural look that will keep you looking impeccable everywhere. Well, our lovely girl here is 14 inches on HD transparent lace. She has a heat resistant fiber. I'm not saying to what degree, but just rule of thumb, stay around 350, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you'll be okay. And what's really nice is with her relaxed style, you're only going to need just to touch up the curls just a little bit. I like that a lot. Again, the biggest plus with her is that the style is so effortless. There are not a lot of accoutrements that you need to make her look fantastic, but if you wanted to put a hat on her or fix her up with some clips, scarves, that you could easily do because the style is so effortless. We have her in DRFF Golden Amber. When you have waves that are like this, you really you want them to be just this easy. Okay, so it does come with some delicate baby hairs. The hairline is the hairline. I mean, if you want to pluck this out, you most definitely can. Personally, I wouldn't worry about it. The part is decent, and that's one of the things with I think the first Everywhere I didn't care for the part, so I like this part a little bit better. I think this is really nice. But you just have nice ventilation, and like I said, this is to me a summer wig, so I think this ventilation is just perfect. So we cut the lace and we tinted the lace, and I'm already getting a really nice feeling off of her. So let me get her on because I'm liking this. Kind of like the asymmetry to her, but that makes me wonder, can I make her into a side part? So let's try that real quick. Ooh. Everything's better in a side part. I am loving her. And I have to say, the amber color, I haven't been a big fan of it. I don't know why I bought this in an amber. Maybe I don't know. I don't know why I bought it in an amber. But I like this because it just brightened up everything. This color it just brightened up my face. And you got the nice dark roots here to make it look believable. I love her. I love her. Oh, I have nowhere to go today, but I may just have to wear this and go do some laundry and some dishes. She is cute. Hey, Outre. I like this a lot. Adorable. Density is fair to middling, as my mother used to say. Could it be a little thicker? It probably could, but you know what? I think the thickness is just fine on here. And I didn't put any makeup in the part, so forgive me for that, guys. I really didn't put a whole lot of effort in this, but that's kind of what I wanted to show you. It probably doesn't take a whole lot of effort, and it didn't. Okay. We're loving number 23. This is the cutest thing. Okay, guys, so you got to tell me what you think. The style, the color, what do you think? Oh, and speaking of colors, I'm totally off my game right now. Hold on. Let me show you some of the specialty colors that she comes in. And I sure could use her in a 1B. I would love her in a 1B. But I am totally into this golden amber. So guys, again, tell me what you think. Love to hear what you have to say about the style and the color. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And just take today, guys, count your blessings. We have so much to be thankful for, guys. And until next time, I'll be seeing you.